Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So the first step you need to do is to open Tonkeeper, click on send, and here you need to add the address and comment and click on continue. So for that you need to go into the Binance, click on wallet. So currently I have no funds, but I am going to show you the method that you need to follow. So you simply need to click here on the top, click on deposit and select the USDT. Okay, and here you need to select the Toncoin. Okay, here you can see deposit address, copy that, add address here, and in the required comment you need to copy that, paste that here, click on continue, select the USDT, add the amount, click on continue, and your work will be done. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.